press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, how are you? I hope that all are doing good. So today I am continuing the last lesson. Where did I stop in the last class? That is the treasure within. So the treasure within is a story of a person called Hafiz Contractor. He is one of the leading architecture of India. So architecture means the art and science. It is a combination of art and science which is designing for buildings and other structures. Okay, so that is called as a architecture. So he is one of the leading architectures. So in the last class we come to know about Hafiz. This is how he was a person when he was a child. When he was a child, he was not good at studies. Okay, always he loves to play. Okay, he just roam. He just every Saturday he just used to go to movies. He just collect money from the students, and the rest of the amount what he could save, he just enjoyed the day with the good food. Okay, and then and one of important incident he just shared with us, that is he just had some nightmares. Okay, so continuously he just had the nightmares, like he was attending mathematics exam. So in that examination hall he can't write his answers. Okay, he can't able to write the answers whatever the question papers in there it is there. So then he feel very it was a nightmare. Okay, so then before 4 or 5 years the nightmares it was following. Okay, but later so it was disappeared. Those night before 4 or 5 years before it was there, but after that it was disappeared, and now he didn't had this kind of a nightmares. Okay, in his life, because he changed his mentality. He shifted his mentality towards the other work which he likes, which he was interested. The mathematics subject he is not interested, so that's why he is having that kind of a the dreams. Okay, that kind of a nightmares. So then he was changed his mind. So he is now at last he feel relaxed because of his interested area. He was chosen his interested area. Okay, so this is. So I told you each and every child is gifted with the special qualities. The main thing is we should as a parents, as a teachers, as you people, you should have to develop your own interest. And who are the supporter here? The teachers and the parents. They are the supporter of you to identify your qualities. So which one you are having your interest. Okay, so what is your interest, what is your talent? So the main responsibilities goes to your teachers and the parents. Okay, so more than that, the main thing is you should have to work hard. Okay, you have to understand how much the education is also important. Okay, yes, he has understood. At last he just influenced with the principal's words. Okay, whatever he said him, he advised him. Okay, so he just said that he was take care this child from day first to when he was moved to 11th standard. So till then he was take care, but after that he said him, you have to make your life. Okay, you have to make your goals. Okay, you have to take your responsibilities. Okay, so then I can't help you from today. So you should have to take care of you, and you should have to take your responsibilities. Okay, so you should have to change your life from this to this. Okay, so that is you. So he said, he just advised him. So let's see about today's class. So what is his next story is Bela Raja. She is asking here, how did you get into the field of architecture? So a child like this, like he is having a different kind of a behavior with some of the negative traits. Okay, and he is not good in studies. So all these things. So how he become an expert in the profession called architecture? So she has asked the question like this. So what is his answer? In the college for architecture, nobody who had got below 80 and 85% was allowed to enter. I had only 50%. So if a person means Hafiz, he is telling here his how he has got the entrance, how he was entered into the College of Architecture. When he was admitted, when he was entering into the College of Architecture, so there is a limited for the percentage. At least a person should secure 80 to 85%. Okay, so not less than 80. Okay, so but his marks is he has secured only 50%. So it is very difficult for him to enter into the architecture college. Okay, but how he has got that opportunity for him? I wanted to join the army. I got my admission later, but my aunt tore it up. Then I decided that I wanted to join police force. Okay, so he has secured only 50%, so he can't go for architecture college. So then he decided he wanted to join an army. So he got a letter, but later his aunt was torn that letter, and then he was decided that he wanted to join a police force. My mother said, don't join the police force, just do your graduation. So I went to Jai Hind College in Bombay. Okay, so his mother was advised him that don't go for a police force, so you just complete your graduation. Okay, so after that he was joined to Jai Hind College, which is in Mumbai. Okay. Then there I was to either take French or German. Though I had studied French for 7 years, I did not know 7 words of French. So I took German. Then my German teacher died. The college told me that I could change the college or take French. Okay. So here in this paragraph, he used to say about the languages he has chosen when he was studying in school. Okay. So he has to choose French language. So he knows French and German both language. So when he was in a school, he has studied the language. He has chosen the language called French. Okay. For 7 years he was read the French language, but he couldn't know the 7 words of French. Okay. He doesn't know that French words properly because he has not done work. Okay. Then he decided then he has to take German. Okay, so which the college he has get admitted, so that in that college he has to choose either French, otherwise he has to choose a German. He knows the German, he knows the French, but he has studied the German, but he didn't know anything about a French. Okay, so he studied a French, but he didn't know anything about a French. Later he has chosen the German language. Okay, then suddenly again there is some incident has happened here. Then my German teacher died. So when he was chosen the language, he was chosen the German as a language for his studies in college. So the teacher was died. The German teacher was died. Then the college told me that I could change the college or take French. So now forcibly the college is saying that he has to take a French, otherwise he has to change the college. Now you would give me admission in another college. I had got admission to Jai Hind by influence. So no one is giving admission to the other colleges because his percentage is very less. Okay, so that's why he wants to remain in this Jai Hind college. So he decided that he has to choose only French language. So I thought, okay, I will take French, and I started learning French again. I learned it from my cousin. She was an architect's wife. Okay, so how he was learned the French, although he took this French language, so when he was studying in school for 7 years, but he didn't know any single word of French. Okay, so then he was took this language when he was in college. So how he was get to know about the French? He was learning French from his cousin. Okay, and that cousin was a wife of architecture. Okay, architect, not architecture, architect, a person who are an expert in architecture. So he was a wife of that person. I was going to an architect's office to learn French. Okay, so he was going to the architect's office to learn French. So regularly he used to go to the architect's office. Architect's office means a cousin who is a cousin of Hafiz, so he was going there to learn the French. So then, was it then that you decided wanted to do the architecture? So Bela Raja asked here, okay. So after that you decided, because you are going to the architect's office, so that's why you decided you wanted to join for a architecture college. So she is asking question here. Then Hafiz contractor, he's saying answer here. Actually it all happened quite by chance. Okay, so what he has chosen, okay, so he has chosen the architecture, it was happened by the chance. It was happened by luck. Okay, so how? So he is telling the story. In the architect's office, I saw somebody drawing a window detail. A window detail is a very advanced drawing. Okay, so some of his office, so whose office? The architect's. The architect means he was a relative of his that office. He went there. Somebody has designing the window detail. He was making a designing of a window detail, and it was one of the important one. That job is one of the important job. Okay, to design a window detail. I told him that his drawing was wrong. That the window he had drawn would not open. So he suggested to the person who is drawing that window detail, he suggested that what you are designed it, so that was a wrong one. Okay, if you drawn like this, that window is not going to open. Okay, that windows are not he had drawn would not open. Okay, so that kind of a windows would not open it. So then he had a bet with me, and later he found that indeed his drawing was wrong. So he is given a bet. Okay, so they were given a bet that that person was given a bet to him that his design is right or wrong. So later with the more information, so they got the idea that design was actually it was a wrong. Okay, then which I immediately did. He asked me to design a house and design a house. After that, he told me to drop everything and join architecture. So he asked the architect, one of his relatives, he asked that to design some house. So he designed it, and then he impressed with the design. The architect, he was impressed with the design. Then he told him to join that office. Okay, to join the architecture. Then that person was suggested him, it's better for you to join the architecture college. We went to meet the principal of the college. The principal warned me, I will allow you to take part in the entrance exam, but if you do not do well, I will not allow you to join. Okay, for a architecture college, there is an entrance exam. So these people were visited to the principal of architecture college. So there he was warned him that if you take a entrance exam, if you do well in an entrance exam, then only I will give you the admission. Otherwise, he can't. Okay, so he was suggested like this. Then I got an A+ in the entrance exam, and from that day it was a cakewalk. Okay, so in that entrance exam he secured A+. He secured first place. Okay, in that entrance exam. So then he got a place in architecture college. So for a person like this, like he was secured only 50%. So how much he needs percentage to join architecture college? That is 80 to 85%. But although he has secured only 50% because of his interest in architecture, then he was joined in this architecture college. Although he was not secured this much of percentage. So because of the interest in this, he was having keen interest in the designing. Okay, interest. So he got admission in the architecture college. Okay, so now he says that the day was from a cakewalk. Cakewalk means smooth ride, smoothing, easy to achieve. So whatever it is interested, it is easy to achieve a person like Hafiz. Okay, so it is interest. Because of his interest in the architecture, So that becomes easy for him. So that is called as a cakewalk. Okay, the journey for his success is easy now, because whatever he likes it, he interested, he just achieve it. It gives a way to achieve in his profession. Okay, so that it means. Then I had never known that a section was okay. I had never made a plan, but I knew how something looked like from the top. Okay, so he was never planned. So Hafiz was never planned at all. He was joined to the architecture college. Okay, but whatever it comes to him, he was felt that he was in a top of the world. Okay, then I had never known what a section was, but I knew if you cut a plan, what it would look like. Okay, he has never known the sections. Sections means the diagrams. He didn't know what kind of a diagrams these are. He can't describe the diagrams. But when it is a planning, when he was planning something, he know every details. Okay. I stood first class first throughout after that. So after that day, when he was passed entrance exam, from that day to till he was passed out from the graduation, so he was a first. He was securing a first in the first place in his in this architecture college. Okay, then I believe that all this understanding came from what I used to play and do during school. Okay, so how this ability came in himself, because whatever the things he is doing, okay, so he is saying here, so do you think that how these qualities came himself? By doing the things whatever he do, okay, whatever he does, so he was doing in a very proper manner. Okay, and the playing, he was playing very interested. Okay, and believe that all this understanding came from what I used to play and do during school. So main thing is whatever the things he is doing in the school, and because of the playing, he was learn, he was understand the designs. I had a friend called Behram Divicha. We used to have a competition between us for designing forts, guns and ammunition. Each of us would design something in an effort to be different. Okay, so here he used to say some of his friend. So what is the name of the friend is Behram Divecha. So they both were, so when during their school days, so they both are having a competition. So competition to design a forts, otherwise guns and ammunitions. Ammunitions means it is a firearms. Okay, designing firearms. So they are having a competition. One is going to be drawn with different designs. They have to come up with the different designs. Okay, so that one was the competition they are doing. In school, when I was in the second or third standard, one of my teachers, Mrs. Gupta, saw my sketches and told me, you are useless in everything else, but your sketches are good. When you grow up, you become an architect. I did not know at the time, but she was right. Later, after I became an architect, I went back to meet her and tell her. See, he is, remember, one of his teacher. Okay, so who is the teacher here? That is Mrs. Gupta. Okay, Mrs. Gupta, she was a teacher when he was a child, and she said that she has given a activity called drawing some sketches. Okay, drawing and designing. So when she looked into his sketches, so then she said something. So you are not good in studies, but you are good in your sketches. So just she has predicted his future. So he said that when you grow up, you become one of the fine architecture. Okay, a good architecture. She was predicted his future. Okay, so now the day came and he was remembering the words of that teacher. Okay, and he was missing her. So one day when he became an architecture, he visited to that teacher and told him that he became an architecture as she was said earlier. Okay, so this is BR. Why do you think you did not like studies? Was it because you felt you could not cope, could not deal with the curriculum? Okay, cope means hold. He doesn't had the hold in the subjects. Okay, so let's see here. B.R. Raja, that is editor of the magazine, she is saying here, asking here that question. So why do you think that you are not liking studies? Why you are thinking that way? And was it because you felt you could not cope? Could not cope means you are not holding, you are not understanding those subjects. Because of that you are not studying, or could not deal with the curriculum. You could not understand the curriculum structure, so you couldn't interested. You have not developed that kind of an interest. So because of that, let's see what he is answering here. I was very bad at languages, science and geography. I could deal with the maths, was very bad. Okay, I just was not interested. I was studying for the sake of studying. What they taught me today, I would forget after 2 days. I would not bother because there was no application of mine there to begin with. Okay, so here what he is answering here. So he is bad in the languages, geography and even science. Okay, and the maths is one of his what called disliked subject. Okay, so this is, and I just wanted, he was not interested. He is just studying for the sake of studying. Okay, here he says here, he is just studying because he has to study. Forcibly he was studying. Okay, but his interest is not, because he is not having any kind of interest. So whatever he was taught by the teachers, so almost everything he was forgot after 2 days, and he was not bothering about, because his mind is not working for those subjects. So that's why he is not bothering, and he was not caring about those subjects. Then again B.R. Raja, she is asking here, sorry, Bela Raja, that means B.R. is asking here, did you think that what they taught in school was boring, or did you feel that once you understood the concept of what was being taught, you lost interest in the rest of the lesson? Okay, so here she asked the question. So do you think that, so what the teachers are taught in the class, it was boring to you, or did you feel that what you have understood and you will forget it later? Okay, you forgot the concept and you lost the interest in the rest of the lesson. Okay, so how interesting question she is asking here. So what are the teachers were taught in the class, so you felt you are listen boring classes. Otherwise you are whatever the concepts the teachers were telling, so you just not listen and you just forgot it. So why you are forgetting the next concept? When you are moving to the next lesson, you lost your interest because it was not understanding it. Okay, the concept was not clear to you. Now he says, living in a boarding school is difficult. We were just living from day to day. Okay, so Hafiz is living in a boarding school. Okay, he was living in a residential school. He has to stay in hostel. Okay, when he wasn't studying in school. Nowadays there are so many tests. Back then, whenever we had a test, we used to just copy. The teachers thought that we had done our homework. Okay, so what a trick he has done is, he just used copying. He was copying. So when there was a test and when there was exams, he was copying, and the teachers, what they understood, they have understood that he was done his work properly. So that's why he has made a trick here. Then, and he was living in a hostel. Bela Raja, she is asking here, there is a contention that giftedness and learning disabilities go hand in hand. Do you think this applies to you? So here he says that, okay, contention means it's a struggle. Okay, meaning of this word is struggle. So you are struggling. You are gifted with the struggling of your studies, and another one is you are having learning disabilities. So it was going hand in hand. Okay, struggling for our studies and learning disability. These two are go hand in hand, means you are struggling in studies and also you are having learning disabilities. So you are not created an interest in the studies. So he didn't understand it, why he has not created an interest. Okay, and do you think this applies to you? So these two traits, these two qualities, it applies to you. Do you think it is a right thing? Then she asked here, I have come across this situation. Okay, well, take some students from my class. Those who always stood first or second are today doing very ordinary jobs. Okay, so here he asked that to Bela Raja. So take some of the some of the students of my class. So just take the names of the students, so which are there in my classmate during when he was in school. So take those names and just you have to search them, you have to find them, and they were securing a first and second place in the test and in the exams, and now they are doing very ordinary jobs. Although they were securing in a first and second place, okay, they were doing a good percentage, okay, but now they are doing very ordinary jobs. They are not successful like me, okay. Okay, so you have to find them, you can search that, you will got the answer. And now, well, now she is asking, I have come across this situation in so many different places where people tell me that their class toppers are doing very ordinarily today. Okay, yes, even I also, now Bela Raja, she is also replying to the answer what he has given. She is also agreeing the words what he said, what Hafiz has said. The toppers who are achieving during their exams and also the test, so they are doing very ordinary jobs. Okay, so who are the toppers? But the people who are not done anything, they are the achievers. So she has got to know this. And HC, in school I think living our lives they're made us street smart. I have learned more by doing what I did on my own than what academics would have taught me. Okay, so here Hafiz is saying, whatever the things I did, I was did with my own terms. So I was not stick on to my academics. So what the academics are taught me, I am not stick on to that. Okay, I have not followed those things. I just did whatever I liked it. Okay, I liked it, and now they made us street smart. So the way of living, so the way what I was living, so that one makes me a smart. Okay, so then BR, that is because the personality and skill were there. You were able to find expression in a manner you were comfortable with, and you defeat very rule so that nobody would stop you from doing what you needed to do. Okay, so here Bela Raja, she is explaining here. So she is explaining the qualities what Hafiz he was having now, okay, and what kind of a boy, the boy like this, the careless, and he was not good at studies. So for him, he has success. He was in a success place. He was in an achiever. So why? Because it is about a personality what he has developed and the skills what he was learned. Okay, so because of these two, so she is explaining here, you are able to find expression in a manner you were comfortable. Okay, the skill and also personality, what the personality you are having and the skill. So you, because of these two, you find your own way. Okay, you find your own way, what you feel comfortable with it. So you did a job, you did a profession in that, and then you defeat every rule. Defeat means break the rule. He had break every rule, and then nobody would stop you from doing what you needed to do. So when they believe, some people will believe that, so if they break the rules, it means that they are doing as their wish. Okay, those students or those children are doing as their wish. Okay, if they are not born with some of the discipline, okay, yes, it is a right, but not like this way. Yes, he has achieved because he is having good personality. Personality means attitudes, that skill, okay, the techniques what he has learned from the playing and all, he used it somewhere. Where? That is the architecture. Luckily he got this, but everyone's luck is not like this. But what we are having interest, we should have to achieve it. So this is my words. Okay, so then HC, I was more interested in other things. If for example, while in class, it started raining outside, I would think of the flowing water and how to build a dam to block it. And I would be thinking about the flow of water within the dam and how much of water the dam would be able to hold. That was my interest for the day. Okay, so when I was more interested in the other things. So more than he was interested in the class, interested in the lessons, he was interested in the other things. So he is giving an example of his. So when it was raining, so he was just looking into the rain, and when the water is flowing, he was thinking about how to stop this water which is flowing. Okay, how to block the water, means how to stop it. So then he wanted to build, he just think about the dam. So if he has built some dam, means here he think that I would think of the flowing water and I would be thinking about flow of water within the dam and how much of water the dam would be able to hold. So when he was thinking about when the water is flowing, so how it should be the block, and then it has transformed into a think in a bigger in size. That is, he was thinking about a dam. So how the dam is holding the water, okay, and he was thinking about how much water is consumed in that dam. Okay, so that he was thinking. He just transformed his thinking from a simple to complex. Okay, so this way he was thinking. And that was my interest for the day. So what is the interest for the day? He was thinking it was about a raining, when the water is flowing, when he was shifted his thinking to the dam. And he was thinking about the construction of the dam. So when it was holding, okay, so all the thinking, so how he was thinking as the way. When students lost a button while playing or fighting, they would come running to me. I would cut a button for them from chalk using a blade. Okay, so they are staying in a hostel. So they are staying in a residential school. Okay, so there were no necessary things were provided. Yes, they were giving a basic things, but when the buttons were gone, means it was they have lost the button. When the other children were lost the button, so they were come to Hafiz, okay, and they were asked him to do something with this, otherwise they get punished. Okay, if they were not wear a proper dress, proper uniform, okay, so then they will get a punishment. So because to escape from that punishment, to not to get punished from the teachers, so what they do, so they will come to the Hafiz, and now he just do something. What he do something? He just take a chalk and he cut the chalk from the blade. Okay, with the razor he just cut the chalk, and he used to put the chalk on on the shirts. Okay, where it looks like a button. The button has stick on the holding there on the shirts. So that one he was made a plan. Then, discipline in the school was very important, and no student could afford to have a button missing. The student would get past dinner with the full neat uniform. After that, it did not matter. So, why they want buttons on their shirts? Because they will have to get meal. Okay, during the dinner time or a lunch time, so they have to come in a well dressed with a proper neat dress. Okay, so if they had missed the button, so how they had get it? Okay, because they are living in a residential schools. Okay, so that's why they come to him, and he used some tricks and made some of the things, and he used to put on the shirts. Okay, then this one he was did, and after that, after the meal was over, so nobody would care about the button. Then BR, then Bela Raja, she is asking, coming to the present, how do you decide as to what kind of a structure you want to give a client? So she is asking about present situations, questions. Okay, so what he is designing, so how you are handling the clients, your customer. Okay, in what way you are dealing with your clients? She asked the question. Hetzi, I looked at the client's face, his clothes, the way he talks and pronounces, the way he eats. I would know what his taste would be like. I can relate to people in a way that would be comfortable. I sketch very spontaneously on a paper on the spot. That paper I give to my people in the office. Okay, so how he was designing, he just giving his planning, how he is designing. Okay, when the client come to him, when a customer came to him that for a designing of a house or some of the office or any building, any infrastructure, so what he looks first, what he observes first, he observes the person, the way he talks, the way he eats, the way he dressed, the way he pronounces. So everything is just he just observing. Okay, he just think about what kind of a taste that person has, that client has. So he just design according to his taste. Okay, not by asking to that client. He just observing the each and every detail of a person as a client. Okay, so then he designing and then he hand over to the office employer. Okay, then you do it instinctively means naturally. So you are doing this naturally. Okay, then what he has answered here, he says call it instinct. Okay, instinct means it's a inner what called inner mental, it's called inner mind. I am doing it instinctly. Okay, instinct, call it arithmetic. Yes, I am doing by my soul. Okay, that is my mind says. Okay, so by the arithmetic, it is a combination of arithmetic and whatever. Now it comes at me like a mathematics. Yeah, so that is instinct means is a arithmetic. So you may call it now, it is a mathematics to him. And putting design, construction, psychology, sociology together, making a sketch from all that is mathematics. So what is a mathematics to him? So he has, in the beginning he was afraid of he was dreaming about the mathematics subject. He was attending in a exam and he was can't write the exam paper. Okay, so this is about, so here he says that he was doing the job with the combination of some of the subjects. So what it is the construction, psychology, sociology. So all together he made a mathematics. Okay, in his view, in his what called regarding, in his according to him. So mathematics is a combination of subjects like the design, okay, then the psychology, sociology, and also construction. So this is called mathematics to him. Okay, so that's why there was no frightening dreams. Okay, there was no what called the dreams which gives a fear, nervous. Okay, so because of this, in his mind he said that mathematics is the combination of these things. Okay, so he is not bothered about the subject, actually what the mathematics is. Okay, then here we almost come to a full circle where Mr. Contractor has derived his own interpretation of mathematics, taking it from a subject he hated, the subject he now loves dealing with. Okay, so now the Bela Raja, she is explaining, he just sum up and he was just come to the conclusion. So conclusion, as a person like a Mr. Contractor, so he was, once upon a time he was not like the subject called mathematics, but he just interpreted. Interpreting means he was come to the conclusion in his own view. So what is the mathematics according to him? According to him, the mathematics are the combination of the subjects called psychology, sociology, then designing and also construction. So he got a different term for the mathematics. He given a different term for the mathematics. Okay, but not what actual the mathematics was. According to him, mathematics are the combination of these subjects, not the learning like addition, subtraction. This is not a mathematics in his dictionary, in his knowledge. Okay, so this one has summed up by the Bela Raja. So he was loving that subject, that is the mathematics. Okay, because he was made some different subject according to him. So this is about today's class. I hope that you have understood this lesson very well. Okay, so each and every person have different qualities. So main thing is we should have to understand that by the teachers, by the parents or the you people. Okay, so what kind of interest you have. Yes, you are a small kids, you don't know that what kind of things you wanted to. Okay, but when the days are passes, when you are come to know about which areas you are interested, so in that you make yourself master. Okay, you make yourself excellence, so then there is a success in your way. Okay, so no one is going to stop you. when you find out your interest, when you find out your talent and also your qualities, it is there in that. Okay, so then nobody stop you, so you are reaching to your success. Okay, so this is the today's class. Okay, so today we have finished this lesson. So all of you, we are going to meet in the next class. Till then, all of you stay at home, keep learning. Thank you.